Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Jury and my beloved friend. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alvin Crista Francis Meloa from SMP Negeri Subondo. I feel so happy today because of God's blessings and mercy. I can stand here to deliver a speech about empowering youth through digital literacy. Now, we live in digital era. Technology of communication and information has developed rapidly and externally. By clicking your smartphone, you can access or distribute information easily. For the youth who are lack of digital literacy, merit and consumptive action, such as accessing pornography or other useless information. Even, they may harass other people via social media. Ladies and gentlemen, related to the technology, it will be very important for the youth to apply digital literacy for communication. Digital literacy is about an individual's ability to employ functional abilities on digital device. Then, the youth can be critically, communicate effectively, select and find information, collaborate with others, and become creative. The main purpose of digital literacy is to educate and advocate for internet users, so that the youth will know the protection aspect. The aspects include personal data protection, online security, and individual's privacy. Knowledge, the protection aspects is very important to anticipate online fraud and to have personal privacy in cyberspace. On the other hand, through digital literacy, the youth know the right aspects, such as freedom of expression. It's right to express their opinions, ideas, and feelings without the right of attack. But two, intellectual property. It means the initiator to protect the product. Number three, social activism. It's an online meeting and dancing activity to realize a social change. Ladies and gentlemen, what can we do to empower youth through digital literacy? First, to integrate digital literacy into school curriculum. We provide a training and workshop on digital literacy. Second, to teach digital skills such as coding, graphic designs, and provide online resources for learning. The last but not the least, to collaborate with government, organization, and industry to support digital literacy. And then, we ensure to develop sustainable and effective program. By taking these steps and helping the parents, we can empower youth through digital literacy and help them unlock their potential to face the challenges in digital era in the 21st century. Thank you for attention and see you.